Hi, welcome to my platform, Linda's TV show. If it's your first time of coming across this platform and you like what I do here, my dear good friend, you are welcome. After watching this video, please put on your notification bell to all notification. It's very, very important because it will enable you to know when I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, my old followers, to those who are dedicated, who always watch, share my video. Oh, what can I give to you? May God Almighty bless you all and grant that your heart desires. In this platform, I upload video on daily basis based on what is happening in Nigeria and in Biafra land. After watching, please share and subscribe. And I also sit down here to watch the video together with you. Then we'll come to the comment section to say our opinion. You are free to criticize, but let us always do it constructively as we go into today's video.
Has been able to give this mandate. It was because the Britons already studied that area, that Ubelievable ancient kingdom. When you go above the mountain of that place, you will see an escaped sea. There is what they called, when climate change, what they call climate change of today, when the world was one. That place was ocean. Ocean was in that place. When you go to that place, you will see red sound and the shan sound. Ocean was in that place before. If you go that place, you will see wonders. There is no kind of thing you need in this life. Your eye will open. That place, the British people has been in that place when we were very small, studying that place. The British people left that place when Mbakwe was the governor of Imo State. When all those places has been one, when every Abia and the Imo are one. When Abia and the Imo was one, Mbakwe was there. It was because of the activity of Mbakwe that made the Britain left that place. That ocean in that place departed. The ocean in that place departed. That ocean is no more in that place today. But all the gold and diamond has been buried under. Britain gave Fulanese the secret of that place. That's why when you go and check the biography of SH0CKING, rumors, I say rumors, said SH0CKING has been fathered by Babangida. SH0CKING was fathered by Babangida. That is what rumor said. Until history will prove us wrong. Or SH0CKING himself will prove us wrong. But if SH0CKING think that he will come to Umunnochi and take our land and hand over to Fulanese and legalize Ruga in our own land, then he left Igbo. Then today you will see Okigwe, you see Uhube, you see Isochi, you see Lord Banta, you see Lord Buku. They tell you that this place should be handed over to them. Nothing goes for nothing, my brothers. Nothing goes for nothing. You people, Igbo people, both anybody who has been attacking Simon Ekpa, ask yourself one reason. You attacked Simon Ekpa, telling everybody that Simon Ekpa is enemy of Biafra. But little do you people know the reason why all of us stood with Simon Ekpa. And they let you people know that even before Simon Ekpa joined the struggle, we know. The first day Simon Ekpa made the program, after Ekwerema beat up in Germany, it took Simon Ekpa like 5 days. Then he came and made his own first video. From that day, our eyes has been on him. Our eyes has been on him. Monitoring Simon Ekpa, front and the back and the front, left and the right, until we found out exactly whom Simon Ekpa is. This power you see that Simon Ekpa is possessing today, it is because Simon respects Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, and the Simon Ekpa believe in what Nnamdi Kanu believes. Free religion to every other person, and he has never one day tried to go above Nnamdi Kanu. Just like Nnamdi Kanu has never one day tried to go above Jesus Christ. The reason you see Master Prophet messing up today, every one of us knows when Master Prophet missed the road. It was because Master Prophet missed the game. He chased away all the people that would have directed him on what he should do. That Master Prophet is the person who has been looking for any kind of power. That, yeah, imaginable power, just like what Simon Ekpa is doing today. But because Master Prophet rejected and become greedy, he used a greedy attitude inside his life. That was the reason Master Prophet deviated. He deviated. The spirit of Biafra left him. The message of our ancestors left him. Send this message to him. He know exactly what we are talking about. Master Prophet know about what I am talking about today concerning SH0CKING kingdom. They gave him the offer. Try to let Nnamdi Kanu know that this is what he has been searching for. Not Ubelievable in River State, not Igodomigodo in Edo State, but it was that place where SH0CKING handed over. That was when Nnamdi Kanu has been about to get the information about that place. They renditioned him and they sent him to the SH0CKING, where he is using one cloth up to today. And the Punch newspaper has not stopped to tell us that the head of Nnamdi Kanu is in danger. Yet, people are still fighting us, who is telling you, allow Simon Ekpa. We know exactly what is happening. We know the origin of this problem. And if you don't know where rain starts beating you, you will never know where the rain will stop beating you. We have come to deliver this little message. We will try everything possible to join the meeting of today. Media team news, media team broadcast today, so that this message will go further. Share this message, send it to anywhere. Anybody that want to copy it, let him copy it. But the original problem of Biafrans started at that place where SH0CKING handed over to Fulanis to become the governor of other state. That is how it stands today. Okigwe is on fire. Ihube is on fire. Leru is on fire. Olobanta is on fire. Everywhere inside that circle is on fire. Ask yourself a question. Why is it happening like that? Because the lion tail has been touched. You don't cross that area. You don't cross that area. You don't cross that area with your mess up. Fulanis, when Fulanis came to take over Biafran land today, powers arose in Igbo land, in Igbo soil, and they fight against them. When the slave masters came before, when Europeans came before slave trade started, powers arose from Igbo land that fight them. That before slavery trade started, Igbos have rose warriors that fought with Britain. The war lasted more than 40 years. That war lasted more than 40 years before they came back for slave trade. The same power of slave trade, that was what they were using, until they begin to buy away all the oracles and the mask of Igbo people and the mask that direct Igbo people on how to live their life. When you come to Europe today, you will understand and see that these Europeans today, they are returning back all these ancient masks they stole away from our land and from Africa, even in South America. Europeans say that those masks and those oracles which they stole is the thing disturbing them. It has been today inside the law of Europe that anybody that came to reclaim their own, those masks and those oracles should be given back to them. When you go back to Edo State, Benin Kingdom, that Oba Kingdom, you will see that Germany returned a lot of their ancient crafts. Today, all these things is happening, and when you go back and study the power of mask and the power of all those ancient crafts, then you can be able to understand it when you study the ancient Egypt kings, from Tutankhamun and all the pharaohs, down to Cleopatra. From Cleopatra, you can be able to trace the history back again to this other Hercules. Then from Hercules, you go back. Hercules will take you back to ancient Bible. When Hercules take you back to ancient Bible, then you will understand the ancient Bible. The reason they remove apostrophe out of the Bible, and from there you will understand the reason England remove themselves from Roman Empire, from Catholic Church. Then they created their Anglican Church, the English Church. From there you can understand all these things. So my brothers and sisters, I have not come here to teach those deep histories, but why are we doing what we are doing and telling you today that the reason SH0CKING become the governor of our state is because he handed over the Garden of Eden to Fulanese to occupy. And the gods of land, the gods of Igbo land, everywhere is provoked. And let me tell you again, some powerful people in Biafran land, that time Nnamdi Kanu gave us a prayer to do Psalm, from Psalm 1 to Psalm 150. When that Psalm were going on, all of us, we are doing fasting and praying, dedicating and asking Chukwu Kabiama. Some people, one person, one day, that in this man, let someone ever spend time and watch this message. Somebody arose 7,500 Biafran dead soldiers. Yeah, the pure ones. All of them arose. Then you can ask yourself, who is enforcing sit at home? Which spirit is making Biafran people to sit at home when Simon Eber on Nnamdi Kanu will say, sit at home? 7,500 Biafran soldiers arose during the time we were praying Psalm from 1 to 150. That time when we are the date of Psalm 56, that was the day that thing happened. I will not go inside the details, but what we are telling you, when Simon Eber tell you people, obey the land, obey his command, as Nnamdi Kanu has commanded. Tell your brothers and sisters, those people who is shouting Peter Obi has automatically disappointed all of you. Peter Obi said, quote unquote, that Biafra died 52 years ago. So you, who is Igbo Biafra, and you, who is Igbo Nigeria, let me ask you, are you Igbo Nigeria, are you going to kill Igbo Biafra for you to save Nigeria? Ihe a na-akpọ ya bụ ujiji bere na akpa amụ. Ọ ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo, ujiji bere na akpa amụ, or ujiji bere n'etuto. There's nothing you can do about this thing than to use carefulness to handle it. No other way. We are 555 vision. That is the reason Simon Eber said, whenever he has brought out some date, he said, when this date reach, he will tell you people how to make use of this date. And what we are understanding is he don't want to miss his word when he will tell you the importance of those dates. But you, who is an Igbo person, your name is Nkechinyere, your name is Chibike, your name is Chidimma, your name is Chibuzo, your name is Chiamaka. If you people support this ideology of SH0CKING, they will remove this name. You cannot be able to have that name again. And that is what we have come to protect. Protecting Biafran land. Biafra has come to save, Biafra has come to save Igbo. You know the history of Igbo. Igbo, that name Igbo, came from Eri, the daughter of Gad. Gad, the son of Jacob. Jacob, the son of Isaac. Isaac, the son of Abraham. You can go it back. That name, Igbo, came from the daughter of Gad, the daughter of Eri. Are you getting it? Then, but Biafra has come to save that name, Igbo. Are you getting it? And go back to history. The ancient, the most oldest bone found on this planet Earth is found in Africa. And the strongest archaeologists of this world, as we are going inside the geography and the every other things we try to know, they said, the history of this world can never be complete until Africa is revisited. And then we are referring to Biafra. That time Nnamdi Kanu was here. One of the strongest archaeology of Britain, Great Britain. They know what happened in that place where SH0CKING handed over to Fulanis before they left. They said, the history of this world can never be complete until that place is revisited. And because even the Illuminatis, even the Freemasons, they know that this world is living out of lie. When then you go back to Bible, you will understand that Ada in the Bible, Ada, which all of you that is woman here, your name is Ada. Ada is the daughter, is the name of a first daughter of every Igbo person. And the Ada is found inside Bible. Old Testament is the history of Igbo people. But because of manipulation, they manipulated the history of Igbo people and they translated it and they pushed it to Israel. But connecting the history, Igbo Israelites, we have Israelites as good friends, as a family friends. They told us that them Israelites are the people that came from Igbo people. Not Igbo people coming from them, because Igbo people are the ancient people of this earth. They left. Their time, the world, there are intelligent peoples, they are here now. See Tiger Checker. There have been a time, this universe, this earth was in circle. Human being exists that time. Human being exists that time. Then if you don't know how to get it, you can go and read the history of Columbus. The Cologne. Read the history of Cologne. Then from there you can understand how to trace back history. When you go back, you will see everything. Try to check the map of this world, the way everything divided. How it divided, the one that connected where it connected. Science of this world. They went to Mexico. They bring the sound in Mexico. They went to Peru. They went to Nicaragua. They went to all those islands in South America. They made what they call DNA, land DNA. They are the test of the land match with Africa. Then they join it back. Take map of this world. Remove some things. Remove those water. Then you will join it together. You will see that there have been a time this earth was one. Human being has been existing that time. And when you go there, nobody can argue it. Are you getting it? Mongo Park is not the person that dictated River Niger. River Niger, people has been there before. They call it Omombala River. Omombala River is what is called. River Niger is called Omombala River. But they said that it was Mongo Park. Mongo Park, when history began to record things, that was when they named Mongo Park. They say Mongo Park is the person who found out River Niger. River Niger and the River Benue has been from the time immemorial. Are you getting it? But history began to record things. They said Adam and Eve is the first human being that existed in this world. But it does not mean that there are no human beings existing in this world then. That's why Cain killed Abel and they run away. And he ran to other people. But history began to record the history of human being starting from Adam and Eve. Are you getting it now? Because God did wonders. Up to doing this wonder down to Jesus Christ. And the last thing again, before we close, Thomas came from Galilee. That Thomas that put his finger inside the rim of Jesus Christ to confirm that if Jesus Christ was died and buried. Thomas came from Galilee and Jesus Christ came from Nazareth. Thomas knows Jesus Christ when he was young. They grew up together. Galilee and the Nazareth are they are sharing boundary. Even Peter, all of them, all these people grew up together in one area. But Thomas know that Jesus Christ can do wonders. Are you getting it? That's why he has been following him up to when Thomas confirmed that Jesus Christ is Alpha and Omega. Jesus Christ appeared to the disciples. He said he appeared because Thomas did not believe that he died and they resurrected after 3 days. He told Thomas, you come here, put your finger here, then you can confirm. Thomas then went and put his finger. Do you know 555 vision? I love the life of Thomas.
Hello, my wonderful people. As we have finished watching this interesting video, please, I want to see your comment, your contribution, your opinion in the comment section. Like I said earlier, let us do it constructively. Tell me what you think about this video that you have just watched, and also about the platform. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please remember to subscribe, put on your notification bell, share this video, and remain blessed.